Good morning, dear students. Welcome in online classes. My dear student, myself Dhananjay Singh. I am your history civics teacher. The day before yesterday, we have discussed and start a new chapter, chapter number 15, the central government and the legislature, executive, and after that, finally, we have discussed about the judiciary. But yesterday, we have discussed about the Lok Sabha. Different names of the Lok Sabha, how the member of the Lok Sabha elected, what is the election procedure of the member of the Lok Sabha, and then after what is the duration for the membership of the Lok Sabha, what is the term of office of the member of the Lok Sabha, and we have also discussed about that composition of the Lok Sabha before the last video session. Today we have discussed about the qualifications for membership of the Lok Sabha. Qualification for the membership of the Lok Sabha. What is the criteria and what is the qualification of a member for the Lok Sabha? Okay, so let us see. First, a member of the Lok Sabha, it must be an Indian citizen. Must be an he or she, both, anyone. He or she must be an Indian citizen. Second, he attained the age, he attained the age at least 25 years or above the 25 years. At least 25 years means minimum age foundation 25 years and above 25 years must be complete the age of member for the qualifications of the Lok Sabha. Second, he or she must not hold any office of profit under the state government or under the central government. Means a person must not be hold any office of profit under the state government or under the central government. It is very necessary. Next, he mentally sound. He or she mentally sound. Mentally sound means mental and IQ level is in the V form of the correct. पागल ना हो means mentally sound होना चाहिए. Attend at least age 25 years. Must be citizen of India. Not hold any office of profit under the state government or the central government. Okay. These all are the qualification for the candidates who participated in the elections of the Lok Sabha. And no persons, however, can be member of both the house of the parliament and the state legislature at the same time. No one, a persons must not hold in both the house as a member. Means at a time he must be member for only one house. The qualification is also determined by the parliament from time to time. So this is the four important eligibility for the membership of the Lok Sabha. First, he or she must be an Indian citizen. Second, at least 25 year age complete or above the 25 year. Mentally sound minded. Next, he also not hold any office of profit under the central government or the state government. These all are the criteria and the eligibility for the member of the Lok Sabha. Okay, so this topic is finished. After that, speaker, who known as the speaker. The presiding officer of the Lok Sabha is called the speaker. Who? Presiding officer. The presiding officer of the Lok Sabha called the speaker. The Lok Sabha elect the speaker and the deputy speaker from among its members. Means the speaker of the Lok Sabha and the deputy speaker of the Lok Sabha both are elected by the member of the Lok Sabha after the general elections. The speaker of the Lok Sabha known as the presiding officer of the Lok Sabha because the speaker decides and prepare all agenda those are going on in the Lok Sabha. The speaker also preside the meeting of the Lok Sabha. The speaker decided which bill is money bill and which bill is a ordinary bill. It is also decided by the speaker. Means speaker maintain the discipline in the house. This is also a very important function. The speaker maintain the discipline into the Lok Sabha. He known as the presiding officer of the Lok Sabha. The speaker of the Lok Sabha elected by the member of the Lok Sabha, and one more also known as the deputy speaker, also elected by the Lok Sabha. Speaker and deputy speaker. Speaker and deputy speaker both are elected by the member of the Lok Sabha. Both are elected by the members of the Lok Sabha. This is very important question. Many times this question has also come in your examinations. Who elect the speaker? The member of the Lok Sabha elected the speaker and the deputy speaker. What is the function of the Lok Sabha? What is the function of the speaker? Speaker preside the meeting of the Lok Sabha. Speaker maintain the discipline of the Lok Sabha, and in case of any misbehave of any persons in the Lok Sabha, the speaker terminate or the speaker postpone the business of the Lok Sabha. In case of any misbehave, the speaker can suspend any member if he got that the member is not properly do their work into the house. Okay. In case of any misbehavior, the speaker can suspend the member of the Lok Sabha. Okay. The function and mainly, especially the bill, type of bill. There are two types of bill: money bill and ordinary bill. Who decided the bill is money bill or ordinary bill? It is also decided by the speaker. So speaker preside the meeting of the Lok Sabha. Speaker decide the admissibility of the questions. Speaker decide the admissibility of the questions. Speaker decided that when motion of adjournment is passed, speaker decide that when adjournment motion is passed, speaker decided the admissibility of the question, which question is asked into the house by the member of the Lok Sabha and which question is not asked by the member of the Lok Sabha. This is also decided by the speaker, and speaker maintain the discipline in the house. Okay, so these all are the function of the Lok Sabha. Election also done because the speaker and deputy speaker both are elected by the member of the Lok Sabha. Next, but I have two times repeated again and again: speaker elections of the Lok Sabha, speaker elections of the Lok Sabha. So this is the important functions of the Lok Sabha. The speaker is answerable only to the house. The speaker is answerable only on the house. Both the speaker and deputy speaker may be removed by a resolution passed by a majority of its member. The speaker and deputy speaker both removed from their post when the majority is passed by the Lok Sabha. Then the speaker and the deputy speaker can be removed from their post in case of any misbehave, in case of any other problem. The house, the member of the house, pass a resolution against the speaker and the deputy speaker. But speaker, the very important functions of the speaker. So dear students, I hope that in Lok Sabha, composition of the Lok Sabha, term and duration of the Lok Sabha, qualification for the membership of the Lok Sabha, speaker, election procedure of the election, speaker and deputy speaker, functions of the speaker, these all are completed in your within 2 days. Now, in next video session, we will start your next topic, Rajya Sabha. What is the different names of the Rajya Sabha? what is the qualification for the membership of the Rajya Sabha, what is the composition of the Rajya Sabha, we again discuss in your new video session. Thank you.